Morning. Oh, big stretches. How was your sleep? Hey, how did you sleep? Hey, little one. I had a mediocre sleep. Not that you care, but I did. Trying to water your nemesis. Yes, I'll give you a cookie for just breathing. Ow, on my toe. Really? Okay. Hey, you leave the cow alone. Ty. Some days. Titan! You just want to be bad. I know. Everything, you hate everything. Poor cow. Why? I know. Everything bugs you. I get it. Everything's out of order and you don't like it. It ruins the feng shui. It's okay. I get it. There's no need to be in there. Sit. I don't care. What is it about that side that's bugging you today? Can we come over here? I know. And get snuggles. Yeah. Come. Titan. Someone told me I had to be the alpha. What are you doing, mister? No, don't you bite that tree, you little... Yeah, it doesn't taste very good, does it? You are just pushing your luck, aren't you? Do you want Santa to see that? Do you want Santa to see? Do you want Santa to see how bad you're being? Yeah, I know. You don't. I think I can see a bully, but I'm not sure. Oh, there's a bully. There's a bully. It's kind of dark though. Hey, I do see your little toes. Oh my goodness, that's so bright. Sorry. That's a little bright, isn't it? She said, can you turn that off? It's like 10 o'clock at night. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. The light is really bright. Are you comfortable? Your head is kind of wedged under the couch. I mean, you look comfy in a way. You still breathing? Oh yeah, you're breathing. It's all good.